How to make progress in life. Many want to make progress in life. Everyone wants to become better, but often not everyone succeeds. Many people don't succeed for years. 7 things in this video will help you make unrealistic progress in all areas of your life. You should subscribe to the channel, because there will be a lot of motivating and inspiring content here. Let's start with the first point. Have a clear vision. You should clearly know who you will be in 5 or 7 years. Or you should set a clear, definite goal that will inspire you and motivate you. But most importantly, when you set a goal, your brain will clearly understand where to move, because your brain needs to understand what to stand for. Your brain should be constantly busy with useful thoughts and ideas. Use your energy and productivity will increase, and this is necessary in order to make progress. Goal hit. To achieve a goal, you need to draw up a plan to achieve it. And the next point is to draw up an action plan. Ask yourself the question, how can I do this? Make a plan of action. It isn't enough to deliver. You still need to think about a plan to achieve it. You have to make it easier for your brain. You should know exactly what you need to do. If you don't have a specific plan of action, then you will be idle, lazy and stand in the same place. I hope you understand how important it is to have a plan of action. Next item. Start to act. Now put your plan aside and take action. Start to act no matter what. And here the most important thing is to get rid of the fear of criticism and get out of the comfort zone. If you don't get rid of fears, then you will be inactive. You will have various excuses. Therefore, before you start to act, get rid of all your fears. The next important point, go to the end. If something doesn't work out, you shouldn't give up and stop acting. Remember, if you give up, it won't get better. Whatever happens, you must go to the end. And many people fail for this very reason. Understand that you will be wrong many times, but this is not a reason to stop on the way to achieving your goal. It didn't work now, it didn't work another time. Track your progress. This is the next item on this list. Track your progress in all areas of life. Track progress. Learn to look back and analyze what you have achieved. And this analysis will tell you that you are great, you are going in the right direction. Perhaps you want more, but you shouldn't discount what you have now. If you don't track your progress, you will be demotivated, lazy and apathetic. You must clearly see what you have come to. Look for reasons when you can say to yourself, I am great, and believe me, there will be many such reasons, and that will be the energy for your brain to move on. The penultimate item. Ask yourself the questions, what gives me strength? You will fail a lot, and you will make mistakes. And it's important for you to create a complex of things, people, events that will energize you when you fail to succeed. For everyone, these things can be different. For example, cycling, swimming, running. There should be something that will help you renew your brain. Find something that will inspire you and motivate. Final point. Overwork is not good. For example, you worked harder for months. Now put your work on a particular pause. Distract yourself. Go to another city, visit relatives. You should learn to rest, otherwise your productivity and effectiveness will gradually decline in the long run. If you have a sharp breakdown, then it's time for you to find time to rest. After rest, you will be ready to achieve your goals with a renewed vision. I can assure you that these 7 things will help you make progress in your life. But the most important thing is to use these tips, apply them so that they work.